Hi, greetings, Mama Sophie. We're inside the school. Tell us a little history about the school itself and how you got everything all in place as far as the board and all of the furniture.
Yeah, this is Trinity Home Academy, school for the needy children. This is the school for children who don't have people or families to take very good care of them.
Let me get you to turn this way also while you're talking, so we can see the rest of the school.
Yeah. This about the school.
Yes, I wanted to make sure we can get a background of the classroom while you're talking.
Okay. This where we school, we have from nursery to JHS3, and the children are doing very well here because we have very good teachers to teach them. They are being taken very good care of their feeding, their clothing, and their shelter. And those are a new place entirely, which is built by the school. And very soon we are going to move and come and live here because where we live is a rented premises. We cannot afford to be paying every time. So we are working very fast to move and come and live.
Wow, excellent. So everything will be here, the school and also the hostel or apartment.
Yes. We are going to have both the school and the hostel here.
That is excellent. That's an excellent idea. Very efficient. You just got to go a little further up the mountain, right?
Yeah.
Extra 10 minutes. It's about an extra 10-15 minutes from one location from the original location to new location. How far is it?
From the old place to the new location is about 10 to 15 minutes walk. It's not far from the community.
And family, we just did that journey, and it was a nice exercise.
Yeah.
And perfect. So what's the estimated date of completion of the hostel and the school? Or your good faith estimate?
Yes, we will need about 20,000 Ghana cedis.
Thank you so much.
So the best donation anyone can make is a financial donation.
Yes, so we need your support to come to our aid to complete the project.
All right, cool. Would you like to give out a number, email, or website or anything as far as how anyone can get in touch with you or anybody else to make the donation?
We can give our account number. It's Ghana Commercial Bank, Mampong branch.
Also, like a contact phone number.
Account number is
No, phone number.
Our phone number is 0244 039 274. Trinity.
All right, and if you're calling from the U.S., you put 011-233. You remove the first zero, the number she just gave you, and then dial it straight. All right, well, thank you very much. You take care.
Thank you, too.